So you mentioned that the wine was introduced in January, and the world in which you introduced the wine in January is very different from the world in which we live in now. In the old world of just a couple of months ago, you would have been
exactly
hosting people in person, visiting trade fairs, and that's how you would have sold your wine to market.
One of the most important essence of our sector, our job, is to show our seller, our job, our vineyards, taste the wine.
And now that has shifted into the online world, both for your own operations, working with the distributor, but also it sounds like with virtual tastings as well.
This new concept of virtual tasting has been very sudden. And I think they are kind of very much into it, and they're trying to guide the revolution for this kind of new frontier.
In what way has Teams helped you manage through this situation?
During this lockdown, Microsoft Teams, for us, it was fantastic to communicate with other people.
So we started this digital transformation journey, and they adopted Office 365, and they started to use Microsoft Teams inside and outside the company, even when they were abroad.
Fausto, tell us a little bit about what you've been doing in this time and what your experience has been working with Ciacci.
Puoi dire che l'esperienza che con Teams puoi veramente ideare qualsiasi trasformazione di business e raggiungere qualsiasi tipologia di persona, portare il produttore e consumatore e creare e accorciare veramente la distanza.
Tomorrow we have with us our Swedish importer a tasting on the Microsoft Teams, for example. In the last week, we have do the same tasting with our distributor in USA. So in this way, we have the possibility to improve and to change.
This has created the opportunity to connect more directly with consumers.
Exactly. Especially in the US, the consumption raised, considering that the restaurants were closed and everything. So people were bringing back wines to drink at home, comfort wines.
I'm interested in your thoughts as to how you will operate going forward. Do you think will be more of a blend of both the in-person as well as the technology?
The world will never be the same again after this experience. So it doesn't make any sense to work as we used to for the wineries and for the businesses in general. So you need to build a bigger demographics of customers.
So whether it's over a table in the winery or shipping a bottle of wine and having this, virtual interaction, that connection is as important as ever.
Exactly.
It's a new model business to sell. It's new model to ecosystem, food, producer, customer, employee. Is a new model to communicate, to experience.
Fantastic. What is the top tip, the number one piece of advice that you would want to share with everybody who is listening or watching now?
The advice that we want to share is to trust technology, because digital for us is the only way forward.
Trust technology.
Absolutely.
Cheers.
Cheers once again.